bologna. Mama bought this roll the other day. Like this. For this very purpose. Just to have for bologna salad. It's harder to really a lot of people like it maybe better, but to me it's harder to make for sandwiches stuff when you have to cut your own. So I definitely wouldn't want to do that just for that. But we used to do this years ago. And used to this is how you got your bologna in stores. This was wonderful for bologna salad or anything like this. You just put it in here and crank it up, and you're ready to go. They're down here making sandwiches, and so everybody's eating. So you'll hear some background noise, but that's what we're up to.
It's live.
Having life. Okay, now I'm just going to chip this up. A lot of people eat this, and they probably think it is a ham salad, don't they, Mama?
Oh, yeah.
But it's not ham salad. It is bologna salad. Here at this house, anyway. You're going to get bologna salad. Every once in a while you get ham salad after you've cooked a big ham, but a lot of times it's going to be bologna salad. Most people can't tell the difference.
You want to take that out, not overload it.
Well, I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess I will take it out here in a second. I'll try not to overload it, Mama. Mama knows me. I probably should have taken it out right then, like she said. We'll find out, won't we? Can y'all see? Hold on. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, the supersonic chopper. I want it to be chopped up real good. That's the beauty of it. If they're gonna think it's ham salad, it has to be chopped up like ham salad.
Yeah.
Every time I pull this, I'm getting 12 cuts. And let's see what I have here. You know what? That bologna's slicker than most things I use in this. I think this is going to be just right. If you've never made this, trust me.
There's a hunt right there on the side, I think.
It's worth the make. There's that hunt still up, Mama, so we're good. Yeah. I'm going to do the rest of this. Get that hunt Mama's coming out. Okay, so I'm going to put the rest of this in here. See how it looks like ham salad? Already. Yeah, they can there. It already looks like ham salad. It's already looking like ham salad. I didn't use hardly half of that roll, but I used a good chunk of it. If you're going to use packages, I do buy packages sometime and make this, but this is much easier when you're making bologna salad. Has anybody ever made bologna salad out there? Some of y'all probably have. Maybe some of you have. I don't know. Yeah, care to give me that dish right there? Because this is so slick. I didn't realize that I was getting so easy. Because you're trying to chop. Let's see what I can do now. Going good, going good. Now let's see if I can go ahead and add the rest of this in there. Once you get it started, usually it won't bind up. Now you could make all this in here, but if you're making so much, if you're making a small amount, you just leave it in here, put your mayonnaise, all your seasonings in there, and you're just as well off to keep it in there. Like I make coleslaw on this a lot of times, because you don't have to get a bowl out, don't have to fool with it. But when you're batch cooking, you're gonna have to fool with it. I want it to look like that, so here we go. I can't read comments at this angle. Ham salad. Yep. No. Need it? It's just like ham salad. Most people will taste it and think they're eating ham salad. I'll have to admit, I can't really tell the difference either.
You're like pulling that chain.
Not anymore, Mom. I'm getting old.
You're getting old. The toys, the newness of the toys wore off, huh?
When we first got it, I did get a little pull happy. But you learn after a while how to do it. And then it's not as much fun, I guess. But see, that's what you're looking for. You got ham salad there, folks. Okay. I don't need that. Let's trade places. And in here we'll go. You want to get all the goodie out. Especially when it comes to any kind of meat. Have y'all seen the prices of meat? Woo! A roast will cost you $60. Hamburgers, $25 for a couple of pounds. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Oh, goodness.
Had to switch over here. All right. I think I got my money's worth out there. What do y'all think?
I think you cleaned it good.
I did well, didn't I, Mom? So that's your bologna, and that's the hard part, really. The rest of it is just adding your flavors. I bought this the other day. Somebody recommended it. It's Lowry's garlic salt. It's pretty good. It's got sea salt in it. And I'm going to do a shake in here. Probably about a teaspoon. That's all the salt it's going to get. But this has got your garlic and everything. Be kind of like y'all's Southern secret. And pickle relish, of course. And I'm going to put a good, healthy amount of pickle relish. Because that's about one of the only things that's going to
I can smell that garlic.
It smells pretty good.
Yes, it does.
It smells pretty good, in fact. And here's a spatula that'll get good mayonnaise. You know, we love Duke's, but you use your favorite. I think it's going to clean this bottle out. I supposed to get my blue plate today. I don't know if we got it. Did we get a delivery?
We got a box, but I don't believe it's got blue plate in it.
It probably does. I've never tried blue plate, but a bunch of y'all have talked about it.
I'll see. I don't think it does. But
And I did want to try it. We're Dukes, but I like several brands. I like several. Mama says she don't think that box is heavy enough for blue plate. It's not a gallon, it's just one little quart. All right, let's see. I don't hardly think this will be enough. Mayonnaise is about a half a cup. Let's mix it.
I filmed.
Let's mix this up. See what we end up
You
with.
did get it.
Oh, we did get it. I thought it said I was supposed to get it today. This is easy mixed because it's all meshed up so good. And, maybe that's enough mayonnaise. It's looking pretty good actually. About a half a cup. Look at that. We're going to say it's a goodly amount anyway, whether it is or not, because who am I to argue with what looks like to be pretty close to perfection? Now let's see if it's got enough of anything. I think just a little bit more pickle relish. Just a little bit more of the pickle relish. Now I have chopped up olives and put in here before. Some people don't care for that, so I'll skip that this time.
top that big as I can't get nothing down.
Mama, you want to taste this? That's it, folks. Ham salad, bologna salad, made into ham salad. Actually, it's what we call it. Bologna salad made into ham salad. Let's tilt y'all up where I can see. The blue plate is my #1 choice, Joan. Joan, this is my first experience with it. We just got it in. So I don't know, never used it, but I know Mama Sue likes it. And if Mama Sue likes it, we think we'll like it, don't we?
Very good. Just needs to sit a minute.
Did you hear that? Very good. I got a very good out of Mama.
You tasted it?
Yeah, I did. I thought it was very good too, but my very good is not. My very good does not come up to the same standard as your very good. It needs to set, and that's what we're going to do. We'll eat this on crackers, or they can eat it on bread if they want to tonight. This will last as long as your bologna will last. I mean, it's not like 3 days and gone. Well, bologna lasts longer than that, so this will last a while. You don't want to... It's just got mayonnaise and pickles in it. So how long will it last? However long that bologna would last.
You empty the mayonnaise.
I guess I can. Yeah, I've got the Dukes is done.
Okay, I'll have
Mama, it's your turn. Are you ready to cook?
I don't know how to do these. You usually do.
Oh, well.
I just get the stuff
I'm going to clean this off.
I seen you cleaning that off.
Well, everybody on here would have looked that off their finger. So that just needs to set, and it'll be ready to go. Whoa, that's hot.
I didn't holler hot, but I didn't holler fast enough.
This is just a little small crock pot. We use it for, well, basically for little Smokies. You just going to do one pack?
There's two somewhere. What have I done with it?
I don't know.
I don't know what I did with it.
I was looking around. I couldn't see another one, so I thought I better not press my luck. In go the Smokies. This is super simple. This is a super simple recipe. You won't even have to write it down. I promise. Mama's going to track down those last little Smokies.
Way down here.
It's wherever she let them down last.
I was cutting them and I opened them. Here. I started, but I didn't get them.
As long as it was you that opened them, we're good. These are Hillshire Farm little Smokies. Little Smokies.
Okay,
But there's 2 packs of them.
Show them what I made earlier.
She made pimento cheese earlier.
Now, what do you need?
Just that and your grape jelly and a little brown sugar. So here we go, and we're going to put a little brown sugar in here. However much your heart desires, however much your family likes. That'll be whatever, about 2 heaping tablespoons.
Do you have? You put mustard in it too?
Mustard, yes, ma'am. So brown sugar. You're going to use all this squirt bottle, or you got another one?
I don't think that's
This is Welch's Grape Concord jelly, grape jelly. Going in. You may think, what a weird combo. Well, it is a weird combo. You want enough in there. So this was a 20 ounce, and there was about 10 ounces in it. So a 10 or 15, a whole jar, sometimes what I put. But there's no set rule. You can put less or more. Mustard, you put a little. This just gives it a twang. Gives it a little twang. And then, Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And this is the recipe. And you put to your heart's desire. This bottle would be, if I put all this bottle, it's 2 ounces, 18 ounces. It's 1 pound, 2 ounces.
Okay. You're making a lot of noise. You tell me I'm a lot.
I can't help it, Mama.
You're like a lot.
Give me a spoon, please.
Taking over now.
He's making cheesecake.
All right, and there we go. And you just stir it in. Now, it's already hot because I done stuck my hand in a while ago. Let that simmer until people get here, which will be a couple of hours from now. So, here you go.
There we go. All fixed up pretty.
Stir that in.
You need some more. Didn't take me long to look. It shocked me more than anything.
Yeah.
It ain't that hot.
All right, Mama. That's it. There's your little Smokies and bologna salad. And if I do another cheese ball, I'll come back and show you. But we may not do the other one because we've ended up with pimento cheese, bologna salad, little Smokies, 1 cheese ball, 2 cheese. And with some of our folks ain't coming that likes that other cheese ball. So we may wait and even do it tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see about the other one. But we got our dill pickle one. And you want me to make the original one?
If you want to.
Mama says, yeah, we're going to make it. Do you want to make it now or you want to come back?
You can come back, get your stuff ready so they won't have to wait for that.
Mama says she wants it, so we'll come back and do the original cheese ball. All right, Mama, say goodbye till we get back.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Bye.